welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I thought I would just do a quick little page in my tag book. I don't want to call it a tag journal. Is it an art journal? I don't know. It's a little book. I'm putting a little bit of gesso on here because one side of the tag is really slick, the other one is matte, and I just wanted them to have the same consistency. Probably didn't really need it since I'm going to collage. I have this tissue that I got on clearance a long time ago. It's from Ranger, I believe. It looks like kind of a Tim Holtz sort of tissue. I don't know if you guys have seen that one, but I got it on clearance and I don't use it very much, and thought, why not just stick some of these on to my tag book, a couple of little cute little birds, and make a page out of it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting it, doing like the water cut method, but this tissue is kind of shiny on one side, so it's not quite as absorbent as just regular tissue. And here I'm just trying to roughen up the edge, though I probably could have put that right at the top of the tag and nobody would have known it was a straight line because it would have just been cut off. Alright, so I don't really have a theme for my tag book. It's just whatever. So that's what's going in. Alright. So I'm just using some Liquitex matte medium to glue these in. I'm just trying to be careful and try to get them to lay down smoothly. That one was a little bit too big for my page, so I just tore off some bits, just stick him on there. And I did this before, laying any color or anything down there. That's not like me. But it'll work just fine. And this is just a super quick little page. So I'm pulling out, I think that's watercolor, yeah. That one is watercolor. And just gonna add some blue around my birds. Alright, so it's dry. I'm going to take these little extra bits of tissue and just glue them onto another page. And this time I'm just using a glue stick. I'm running out of matte medium. I need to pick some up. So I just figured I'd stick those down with the glue stick. I probably could have done that to the birds, actually. And that'll be an interesting start for another page, another day. Now back to the birds. And so I'm pulling out some stickers and just finding some words that I thought would work. I put between and together. I had to come up with something else. Let's see. Oh yeah, between friends. And together. I'm just going to darken around the edges, and I think that's it. See? Simple, quick, easy. I hope you liked that. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.